Hello, my friends. Welcome to English Talk Daily. Today, I am going to break one big myth in your mind. I am David. We are coach of your Speaking English program. We will start journey today of fluently speaking English with confidence step by step. We will explain everything in video about speaking English. Keep listening and watching video till end, and you will understand everything about speaking English myth. English is not difficult. You just learned it the wrong way. Let me tell you something shocking. English language has more than 180,000 words. Yes, 180,000. Now be honest. Do you really think you can learn all these words? No, no one can. And here is the truth. Nobody tells you. You do not need all these words. You do not need 10,000 words. You do not even need 5,000 words. You can speak English fluently with just 501 simple words. Yes, only 501 words. And today, I will show you how. No hard grammar, no pressure, and no confusion. Just simple English that actually works in real life. So do not skip this video, because by the end, your fear of English will start disappearing. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Let's begin. First, understand this truth. English is not difficult. Your method is wrong. Most people think I don't know enough vocabulary, but that is not the real problem. The real problem is this. You are trying to learn too much instead of using what you already know. Let me explain simply. Even native English speakers do not use 180,000 words. They use only 2,000 to 2,500 words in daily life. And most conversations use very small, simple words. I, you, go, come, eat, work, good, bad, happy, tired. These words repeat every day, so listen carefully. English is not about knowing more words. English is about using simple words again and again. A child does not learn dictionary. A child repeats simple words daily. That's why the child becomes fluent. Not by memorizing, but by using. The real secret, now listen carefully. This is the most powerful secret. Sentence patterns. Words are not enough. Patterns create fluency. Think like this. Words are cars. Patterns are roads. Without roads, cars cannot move. Same with English. You know words, but you don't know how to use them. That's why you cannot speak. Now learn these powerful patterns. I want to, I need to, I am going to, I like to, I have to. That's it. Only 5 patterns. Now see the magic. I want to eat. I want to learn. I want to work. I need to go. I need to study. Same words, new sentences. This is fluency. Fluency is not big words. Fluency is flow. Real life English. Now let's use English in real life. Because English is not for books. English is for life. Morning. I wake up. I feel tired. I need water. Work. I go to work. I feel busy. I take a break. People. Can you help me? I don't understand. I need help. Feelings. I feel happy. I feel nervous. I feel tired. Simple but powerful. Communication is happening. That is fluency. Daily practice formula. Now listen. Watching videos will not make you fluent. Speaking will. You don't need hours. You need just 10 minutes daily. Do this. Pick 10 simple words. Make 5 sentences. Speak loudly. Repeat for 3 days. Repetition equals confidence. Confidence equals fluency. Use shadow practice. Listen. Pause. Repeat. Your mouth will learn. Fear, biggest enemy. Now let's talk about fear. Fear is the real problem. Not grammar, not vocabulary. When you try to speak perfect English, your brain stops. But when you use simple English, your brain feels safe. Safety creates speaking. Speaking creates fluency. Remember this. You don't need perfect English. You need working English. Simple daily routine. Now final step. Your daily routine. Morning, speak 5 minutes. Day, listen, simple English. Night, speak again 5 minutes, but that's it. Only 10 to 15 minutes daily. But every day. No skipping, no overthinking, no changing methods. Just repeat. Now remember, English is not talent. English is not magic. English is a skill, and every skill grows with small daily practice. You don't need 180,000 words. You need the right words, and 501 words are enough. So tell me, will you keep waiting, or will you start speaking today? If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe. Because here, we learn English simply, slowly, and confidently. I'll see you in the next video.